What up, guys? It's Boss Jackal, and I got some custom stalker forms. Now, I already have done flood infected custom stalker forms before on this channel. So, but these guys, I gave them an upgrade. I got 3 of them, but I'm just gonna pull out these 2 guys on camera because they look the same. So, well, the only thing that's different is size on this back part and the wash. That's about it. But anyways, yeah, these guys have more articulation now. They got articulation on the neck. So I thought it would be a good idea to use a flood tank form head, the Mega Bloks Halo flood tank form head, because looks like those were meant for stalker forms and range forms also, so not just tank forms. So yeah, I decided to make a stalker form, and I gave him more articulation, made him more bug-like, more creepier, I guess. I made the arms more game accurate. The arms don't change the length, but the tip, yeah, it does. The legs are still the same. They're not pointy. But yeah, they now got head articulation, which is nice. So yeah. Also, there's some paint fading off on the sides, showing some green. But I'm okay with it because it's kind of game accurate. Like, if you see those stalker forms, they have like this bluish green color on the back of them. So I guess I'm okay with that. I'm not gonna recolor over that. It looks pretty good. But yeah, I'm gonna get one of my figures out. Just to show you the size of these guys. There's a Marine. And there's a Marine right next to a stalker form. Now these guys are pretty big. Have them. Yeah, they're pretty long also. Due to their head, it just makes them long. Alright. Yeah. Pretty good, I would say. So, I'm not gonna make a custom flood tank form, or rather buy a flood tank form rather than, yeah. But there's no way I'm spending $50 on one. Yeah, there's no way I'm doing that. But anyways, yeah. There's under them. You can kind of attach a pack. Well, in this one you can, but in the other one the hole is kind of blocked because of the spray paint. They have no studs on the bottom. But they do have their hands so they can hold stuff, so yeah. Alright, but anyways, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. And this was a pretty short video. Yeah. Peace out.